Monday, June 10th. Dad's got visitors all morning here, but we'll check in with them. Okay, so it's Monday.
I don't know if we got this the other day, but the fan is mounted here now.
Yes,
so
perfect.
We're going to put the door and hook up the wiring.
Okay.
All we got done so far is a few little odds and ends on the wiring. I got one more fastener to put here. And the transmission is full now.
Oh, it is? And, okay.
It's marked.
Perfect.
See that red mark?
Yeah.
Has to be to there. Like stopped, eh?
Yeah.
And then we're going to fill with antifreeze and start it, eh?
Okay. Have you got the engine oil in yet or no?
No, that's in. Filters in.
Coolant is in for...
I got to put the hose on first.
Oh, right. Yeah, duh.
So what I'm going to do is put two steel lines here and then hook them up.
Yeah.
And I'll get the shifter done, and this has to be wrapped yet.
Yeah.
That's what this is for.
Okay.
A lot of little things.
So Dad took off the day yesterday to do some things around the shop. He did a little gardening here this morning, but they're back at it again. He's got his man outside working on an airboat.
Well, the grass got ahead of me, so I was all day cutting grass yesterday.
So the other update here is the axles. Maybe Wednesday. Dad's going to go check in with him on Wednesday. But as you can see, he's already got the bogies and everything else on here. But
Frenchie's working on the airboat.
Yeah, good. So that's it. There's not much of an update here, guys. I might even splice this together with another video just to kind of show you guys what's going on. But coming down to the wire here. Customer's here in about 2 weeks' time. So really hoping that we can get those axles in and sorted out. But he's got to put a bar there so the hoses don't get pinched, and he's got to close out the front there with the that one metal plate for the brake and gas. But I think all the heavy work in here is done, because that's usually the last thing. And if he can just tinker away at this other stuff, we're laughing here. And one of the things he does have to do is we've got to put in some wood frame covers in here, because we're not installing the windows here. So I'm going to remind him to go and get some plywood, or we might have some stuff here, something that he can put into place so that the customer can just take it out with on the other end, because we don't really want it going down the highway with everything open like this. And the customer doesn't really want to do that either. So there's a bunch of little things that Dad isn't doing, and the windows is one of them. And then like the wood paneling here where all the screws are, that's for the customer. And we've got all the wheels here. I think we might have to borrow 2 wheels for the test run. And he still has to put that door back on. There's a couple other parts out in the shed we got to bring in yet here too, but this is done, thankfully. All the other wiring's done. That takes a lot of time. Cat's inspecting everything. So that is it for today, guys, and we will check in with you tomorrow.